Here go. What? Where did that come from? Let me get my water. Gosh, my skin is getting it. Anyways, happy Friday. Listen, your girl is thinking about doing this daily versus weekly. I don't know. Because it's like, what would I talk about on a daily basis? But y'all know me, I like to test a dang on theory. Y'all know me. I like to test a theory out to see if what people are saying is true about, posting daily on YouTube, and everything, growth, blase, because, I tested the TikTok theory, and let's just say, y'all, what is this, y'all? Anyway, bumper keyframes. I'm gonna zoom in myself, okay? I just don't know, because I think about the time, and now that I think about it, and you know how we say things out loud, you're like, well, wait a minute. I might could do it because I already record for my weekly vlog daily. But would I still do a weekly vlog? Like, I don't know. This is so much fun. I even told my therapist I started vlogging. She's like, okay. But I find joy in this. Like, I don't find it like, oh my God, I gotta do it. Like, I enjoy doing, because I stopped overthinking it and I just started doing it. It's just like, just do it, Kendra. Like, you know how to talk. I'm far from shy. I've been performing all my life, from professional dance to cheerleading to coaching to public speaking, church choir. So yeah, we shall see. I don't know, guys. I'm gonna test it out. I am. We'll see. Stay tuned, because I think the videos will be just short. I'm not gonna be doing long videos. Heck no. And this just may be like Mama's daily recap, or Kendra's daily recap, or wind down with Kendra. Oh, yeah. Wind down with Kendra. Oh, I can't say what I just thought of, because my nephew and my sister told me I should do the same thing. And I think, OMG. I got to map this out. I got to